Welcome to our quilt room. Today I want to show you how we use the SASHER collection to make a basic 1-inch wide sashing. Or this could be a bag handle, it could be for any reason that you need to fold your fabric into thirds. Now every one of the tools in our collection of 17 have a measurement written on the top. That measurement is the size your fabric will be when you fold it and put it into the tool. That measurement there is the measurement you need to double when you cut your fabric strip. So we've got a 1-inch wide strip here. I've cut my strip of fabric 2 inches wide on the straight grain. If you want it to go around curves or anything, you cut it on the bias, the same. When you're ready, you'll just have the fabric with the wrong side up to you. You'll fold each side in till it meets basically in the middle. Once you've done that, just grab your iron, and you can use your big iron if you like. I like to use the little mini iron. Just press about the first inch, inch and a half. Then you'll pick your fabric up, still with the wrong side facing up to you. Hold the tool in your hand. It doesn't matter what side you have up. There's no right or wrong side. Thread up from the bottom, go over the top and pull it through. And that's what it will look like. Then put it back on your ironing board with the wrong side up to you. Then we need to pin into the ironing board to anchor this end down so you don't have to hold it and burn your fingers as you're ironing. I find if I use one pin or 2 single pins, what can happen is I can get stretching on one side of the fabric more than the other. So the best suggestion I've got is if you want to anchor this to stop any stretching, use the double fork pin. And I know it's very hard to see, but it is a twin pin, and these are the pins that we use to match our points perfect when we're piecing our blocks. We'll show you that in another video. Just pin that so that each side of that pin catches each side of the fabric. Bury the pin into the board so you're not going to get your iron caught on it. Now it's important to fold the edges of your fabric up and fold them in. Put a little bit tension on with your opposite hand. Put the iron in against the SASHER tool and just push along. Now keep moving down your strip, and after about 12 to 15 inches, I strongly recommend you stop pressing, you take the pin out and you reposition with the pin. If you don't keep repositioning with the pin, you can expect your fabric to go all distorted and go very wobbly on you. So just fold the ends in, push with the iron, and just keep working through till you get that whole strip done. And then you've got a beautiful, lovely straight strip of fabric. And if you're going to use this strip to do your quilts, Quilt As You Go, this is what it would look like when you stitch it onto your quilt. We'll go further into Quilt As You Go in other videos. So enjoy. You can use any of the different sizes. We have 17 different sizes, so you can use any one of them to make any width sashing or bias that you want to make for any purpose. So come back and join us in the quilt room because we've got lots more to show you.